What is style guide? A style guide or manual of a style is a set of standards for the writing, formatting, and the design of a document. The style guide is a standard of your design in which we define all our design elements like typography, icons, design elements, form elements, and graphics. So that by using a style guide, multiple designers can make their design very easy and very fast, and all their design will have a consistency. Let's understand with the example. A company has four designers, and all four designers are making a travel app, and all they have to design different screens. One designer will design the home page, the second designer will design the listing page, and the third designer will design the checkout page, and the fourth designer will design the detail page. If the any designer did not create any style guide, so all four designers will design according to their own. Some designers design a button according to their own. Maybe width should be different, height should be different, button should be rounded or edges. Someone will make their button into edges. Some designers will use different fonts for headings and other designer will use some different fonts. So to get all the four designers on one same page, we have to create a style guide before the visual designs, in which we finalized all the design elements of our design. So that when any designer works on the product, then follow that style guide and make their designs so that their design elements will be the same. Everyone will have a consistency in the design and every designer will be able to make their design very well. Typography. In the style guide, we finalize the typography. What's your app font? What should be the font size of the heading? What is the typeface? Is it regular or bold? What should be the font size of the paragraph? Which color should be used? All the elements of this type of text we finalized in typography. Icons. In style guide, we also define icons. What kind of icons will we use? Will we use stroke icons or fill icons? If we are using the stroke icons, then how many pixels is the stroke? What will be the size of the icons? So that there is consistency in our entire app. Buttons. We can define buttons. How will our primary call to action button look alike? How will our secondary call to action button look alike? What will be his width? What will be his height? How many pixel of radius will be using in the button? If we define all these elements, so designer will not face any problem in designing that app. Form elements. In the style guide, we define the form elements also. Which type of form elements will we use? You will use form elements with the line or with the boxes. In that, how will we show error message? How to show successful messages? We finalized all these things in the form elements. Graphic. In the style guide, we finalized the graphic also. Listing and cards. You can also define listing and cards. What will be the width of the listing? What will be the height of the listing? If an image is coming on it, then what will be its width and height? What his font size and his line height? So whenever you start visual design, first of all try to make a style guide. Then will make your work very easy so that all your abstract design elements will be the same. Consistency in your design and you will be able to make your design very fast.